Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Aries, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Aries. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that reading, Aries. So let's start with these cards here. We have completed world in reverse, Prince of Suns in reverse, and Pope of Stars in reverse. So with in your situation, guys, Aries, in your work situation or in your relationship, so you have made a lot of plans for yourself. You have a lot of dreams, goals, aspirations, and you have a particular journey to undertake. And you need to understand that if you want to succeed, it is going to be a teamwork, guys, and you need people who are really honest, who has honest, truthful intentions towards you to help you today, because you feel stuck. You feel that your plans are not coming into fruition, it's not phasing out. So some kind of delays, suspensions may be there. There may be delayed completion in certain things. So some obstacles or hurdles to overcome in your work or in your relationship, guys. So you are putting lot of efforts, trying really hard to work to see success in your situation today, guys. And I also see that there is someone really powerful, someone holding authority over you, someone who is really important to you. So this person has something driving them, and they are dominating you in some ways, and whatever they are suggesting, it may not be the whole truth. Maybe they are trying to use you in some ways, so they do not have honest intentions towards you. So you need to be really careful with this person, guys. So this person is dominating you. They lack sympathy, and they are not truly concerned about your welfare. They have their own hidden motives, and they are working towards that. So that is the reason for them being in this connection with you, or being a person working with you in your work situation, or this may be the energy in your relationship. So they are just having that connection with you because they want to use you in some ways, guys. So you need to be really careful with this person, guys, because they are selfish, and you need to be careful with this person. So this may be your person you love, or this may be someone from your work. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Page of Suns in reverse. So with this card, guys, this may be your energy towards this relationship or this person's energy. So you feel that you cannot trust them because the things they are speaking or the way they are influencing you, in your heart of hearts, you know that it is not right, it is not the right thing. Maybe they are influencing you towards some negative things in life, and you do not want to take up those paths or those choices for yourself, guys. So you feel that you cannot trust this person, and you just want to be away from them, Aries. So that is what I see with this card, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is 5 of Stars. So with this card in your work situation, guys, maybe there are some setbacks in your work situation. There are some difficulties, but if you are able to work hard, there is a chance to move forward, guys. move forward in your life. If you are able to hold on, work well, you are going to succeed. So that is what I see with these cards, Aries, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more clarity, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Aries. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card. Whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start with the first card. We will see what it is. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, we have the juniper tree. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation today, guys, maybe you are feeling extremely guilty or responsible for certain things. Maybe it has happened in your life or certain circumstances that has unfolded in someone close to you. So, and you feel really guilty because you feel that you are the one responsible for those circumstances or the way things went. But in truth, you need not feel sad and stressed because it is not your making and this is not your fault. And you need to understand that you are someone with a good heart. That is the reason you feel sadness for someone else, troubles or worries, guys. And you need to understand that you should not lose hope and keep doing the right things you are doing right now and being really compassionate. And you are someone really compassionate. That is what I see, guys. And this sadness or stress, whatever it is the making of someone, some kind of person. It may be a third party involved in your situation, in this relationship. So you are doing the right things, but you are taking the responsibilities for all the faults or mistakes that have happened. And this is the time for us to stop the blame game and shift our attention. So we need to be compassionate. We should not be impulsive. And when we are that way, we are going to get a second chance at our life, second chance in this relationship or in that particular circumstance, whatever has unfolded and whatever is stressing you today. And you need to understand that the truth in your situation will reveal itself because we cannot hide truth for a long time, guys, whether it is our mistake or someone else's mistake. We can never hide truth, never bury truth. So that is the energy with this card. And we should not act out of our anger or resentments. We should always be kind and compassionate and be patient. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So for those who chose this card, the second card, let's see what it is. We have new life. So the appearance of this card in a reading just means that this is a very auspicious time for you in your relationship or any kind of partnerships you have taken up in your life. So it may mean even your business collaborations or a beautiful beginning in this relationship. So if you are already in a connection with someone you love, you are going to see positive transformation in this connection. You are going to experience more intimacy, harmony and vibrancy in this relationship, and you are going to feel a much more deeper connection with this person you love. And if you are single and if you are open to a new relationship, This is the time for a new beginning coming up in your life, guys. So you are going to find someone new, and that relationship is going to be so fulfilling, filled with harmony, balance, and sweetness of that togetherness, intimacy, and that blessed understanding you both have with each other. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, it is a new beginning you are seeing in your life today. Maybe in your relationship, or maybe in your work situation, whatever it is a very auspicious card, guys, and it denotes a new beginning and a new life. So that is the reading with this card, guys. I hope this reading resonates. If you like this reading, please like and comment, and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.